Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. How you guys doing? I am doing great. So today I am doing the box by Fashionsta versus the base box by Boxycharm. Pretty sure it's the base box. Yeah, it's the base box by Boxycharm. So they're both about the same price, so we'll see which is better. They're both outstanding boxes, so I really shouldn't say anything because I use them both. But we'll just compare what kind of products come in each box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. So let's just jump right into it. Let's start out with the box by Fashionsta. Oh, I didn't open it. I'm trying to get everything open. So, how are your spring going? I guess it's spring. It's March. So we're getting ready. We go to Washington in the summer, July, August, September. So we might be selling our place in Washington and just gonna travel in the RV to go to Washington and not just stay in one place because we like to travel around. So we're thinking about it. I'll keep you posted. And I think this Fashionsta does have a card, and this is self-care and love this month. So that's really nice. And the first thing we have is Peace Water Aqua Fresh Gel Day Cream. And it's by Callian. So, of course, I gotta see what that's like. And everything is just sealed. So, because I haven't been still 100% on my health, I've been watching videos, of course. I watch a lot of your videos, but I've been watching a little bit of the news, and you know, spring breakers are getting a little crazy in Miami, and I'm thinking they didn't expect it. When I was a spring breaker, I never went to Florida, but we did get a little crazy. So this is what this looks like. Wow. And I guess this is like a day cream. So it's a gel day cream. It's all wrapped up, so I don't want to, but I am so looking forward to using this tomorrow. And it came with this little spoon. I should use this as my regular spoon. Okay, and this retails for $22.50. So I'm liking that. The next thing is Herbal Dynamic Beauty Mango and Green Tea Firming Eye Mask. And I think if you ask anybody 30 and up, they'll tell you they love a good eye mask. And this is the size of that. So I'm not going to open it yet, but I love a good eye mask, whether it's the kind you put underneath or you put on. And where is my eye mask? And that retails for $20. Then we have the Natrex Cosmetics Liquid Lip Veil. I don't know if it's a lipstick or if it's a, ooh, must be a lipstick. And that must be the color. Now that's a pretty color. And I'm not going to swatch it. Where did we go? The lip, oh, it's a liquid lip vial, not veil, and it's $18. Gotta get me those glasses. And there's something very heavy, but they wrapped it very good. I have my scissors. So I don't know when they're going to start the cruise ships. I'd imagine if they're going to do cruises, you'd have to have that vaccine. And how many of you out there had the vaccine? I haven't had it. I don't know if I can get it. But I know my mom has had it, and my sisters had it, and some friends have had it, but yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work. This is hyaluronic acid, repairs dryness, and this retails for, let's see. Again, I have to find it. It retails for $15. And I think there's two more things in the box. We've got Bellapierre Cosmetics, HD Finishing Powder, High Definition Translucent Powder. I have so many of these powders that I'm definitely not going to open it. Yeah, just way too many of these powders, but it's always nice to get one if you don't have one. And this retails for $35, so it's a great value. And there is a real Herb in here, and I know those are great. And this is a eyeshadow palette that retails for $28, and I love their brand. So let's check it out. Yes, I always love their palettes, and they're very soft on the outside. And this one is Dream So Big. Oh, this is really nice. Let me just cover it up because it has a mirror. But look at those colors. They're not, let's see if I can swatch them. Wow. Very summer colors. They're very soft. See if you can see that. I don't know, some people have the best arms. They're down my wrinkled arm here. But they're really pretty colors. I don't know if you can see them, the sun's in there, but they're very pretty. So this is definitely something that I would get a lot of use, and I can't wait to try them. So we got 6 items in this box, and the total retail value is $138.50. So that's not a bad price. I pay $19. I was grandfathered in, so I pay $19. So that is not a bad price. The only thing, I will probably not use this hyaluronic acid. It's just not something that I would not use. But that gel day cream, I can't wait to use that. So let's get into Boxycharm. And this is the actual, I believe, February Boxycharm. That's how far behind I am. But it is the base box, so it is, you know, the same retail, or I shouldn't say retail, about the same price that you pay. And first thing, and I've seen unboxings of this, so I kind of know what's in, should be what's in here. And I think there are makeup brushes in here in a very nice bag. So since we got that beautiful reeler pack, and they've got these floaties, and they've got these really nice brushes. So these will be perfect to use with that palette. So I'm happy about that. And the eye brush collection is $29.95. Then Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. So I won't take it out, but I've got quite a few sleep masks, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, if I'll gift it or not. But I just love sleep masks. You forget that you have them on. So when you wake up in the morning, you completely forget you have them on. So that is nice. And I should tell you, it's Saturday Skin. I guess that's the brand. And that retails for $29. And then we have the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And this is by Trazique, and I know it has, because I've gotten another one by Trazique where it has the eyelash curler on there, the mascara, and then this one has an eye pencil. So that is nice as well. And that is $44 to get this beautiful set. And again, I don't want to take it out because just in case I gift it or do a giveaway, I don't want to mess up the box, which I am known to do. And then we have Evo Beauty, and it's a Pore Perfect primer. And let's see if I can find it. moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. And this retails for $23. Now, I've never heard of it, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. I have Dr. Brandt that I use. I have several primers that I use, and I do like a good primer. So I am definitely going to give this a try. And then we have one more in here, and it's the Brow Bar Bombshell Brow Kit. So, and the packaging is just perfect. So we've been getting a lot of brow products. Wow. Look at that case. I want to give you a glare there. Okay. It's got a mirror. It's a very large mirror. But look at that. So that is really nice. So you can get some perfect brows. And it's got like all the utensils in there. Super impressed. So I know so many of you get this, get Boxycharm. Let me know if you got this, if you tried it, and how you liked it and used it, because I could use some help with that. And this retailed for $40. So I will put the total of the Boxy, and then we had the total of Fashionsta. So which box would you pick? I mean, they were both great boxes. They kind of had different themes. The Boxycharm kind of went with the eyes and skin, but I liked them both, and I'm glad I got them both. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.